Where is the mention?
Any mention?
I seek my Lord's indulgence for an unlisted motion, my Lord. I have been given to understand that item number 8 in today's list is similar to our case. So, if my Lord, if that be the case, my Lord, the motion, my case may also be taken up along with item number 8. It's ready, my Lord, it has already been filed.
Number 8, we are appealing for the petition.
Okay, yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 16, Your Lordship. I prefer 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
16, right?
Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. A.G. Momin, is not available, Your Lordship.
I'm appearing for JHTC.
For private
Your objection.
For private respondent.
Your objection.
No objection.
Okay, 2 weeks. Yes.
Hello, Lordship.
Much less lordship.
Item number 1.
Yes, what is this?
Yes, Lordship, what happened in this case, Your Lordship? I am the husband of the private respondent. Now the private respondent, my wife, has filed a FIR against me. So the FIR is still pursuing for investigation. Then the FIR has been forwarded to the one-stop center, and that investigation is still pending. Now what happened? My wife, again the private respondent, have filed another petition before the Women Commission, and also another petition before the one-stop center in Shillong. So there is a multiple petition and multiple complaint has been filed against me. Now what I'm saying is I'm not agreed by the petition, maybe right or wrong, it is a subject matter of the investigation. Since the investigation is still going on with a one-stop center, the
Where's
petition...
the FIR? The first FIR?
Yes, first FIR, Lordship. It is there at page 25, my Lord. This is the type copy. This is the...
Okay, so.
Yes.
Okay, Women Helpline Child Protection, that is on 22/9/24.
Yes.
And where's the next
Then
FIR?
another is, this is the complaint file at page 32, my Lord.
26, what is 26?
Uh,
There's the report.
yes, that
Okay,
is the
then
report.
page?
And now that this is the page 32 is the complaint petition before the Women Commission, and I have appeared before the Women Commission also. Even in the Women Commission also, the case is still going on. I mean, that I have appeared, I have complied also. Now there is 2-3 parallel, and another I have mentioned in the page 13 of my writ petition.
One second.
Yes, Lordship.
This is on which date? The second FIR?
This is a second
Before
FIR
the
was
Women's
on.
Commission. Okay, first one
Yes.
22/9.
Yes.
It is later 30th 9 before the Women's Commission. And third
Yes.
FIR, where is it?
That FIR, my Lord, that's at para 13 of my.
So where's the, you don't have a copy?
Because I have gone to one stop center. This I have mentioned there in this one para
Where the
13.
third FIR is a 3 FIR.
That FIR is still, the copy is still with the one stop center. But I have mentioned, I have reflected the section and the case registered against me. It is the case has been registered on 68 Brigade T of 2024. I have mentioned, Your Lordship, this categorically in the para 13. May I read the statement which I have made it, Your Lordship, is there. Though I have not obtained a copy of that one because it is with the office. I asked, but they said they will issue later, but it is there, Your Lordship. Another petition is...
So now you file a complaint before the Women Commission. They've directed for lodging another FIR.
Yes.
Yes, yes, okay.
I'll seek instructions, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, today I'm entering appearance only on behalf of respondents 1 to 4. I've not received instructions to appear on behalf of the other respondents.
1, 2, 4. Yes, sir. This is strange. If they've already lodged, if the person's already lodged a complaint one sub center in the jurisdiction that's West Gari Hills, why they've again another FIR?
Yes, in
Women's
World War.
Commission also usually is not criminal nature, civil only.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But even then, another one-stop
No
center.
harm in proceeding, yes.
That I have no problem. But then another FIR has been registered before one-stop center in Shillong, and then they have no jurisdiction also because we both of us staying in the Assam only, Tura only,
Assam
not
or
Assam.
Garhwal?
Tura. I'm sorry, Asanang Tura.
But, Mr. P.T. Sharma, the Contempt issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Yes. MSRE Nongri is present behalf GA. Present behalf respondent to follow for a notice. Notice to issue to the remaining respondents within 3 days. This upon you so and so. Yeah, interim
Yes,
prayer.
yes, at least
Take them
to
next
stay.
date. Yes, let them pray.
Only the proceeding till the next date, my lord.
Let's see. Let them come with instructions.
Lordship.
Come with instructions. Yes.
Lordship.
Pray for interim orders will take them next date. Yes.
Lordship.
Obliged, Your
Much
Lordship.
Lordship.
Item number 2.
Yes, what is this?
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this matter, we're challenging the disciplinary order number 21 of 2014. Your Lordship, if I may.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, am I audible, my Lord? Lordship, I'm afraid I cannot hear anything. Lordship, if this matter could kindly be taken tomorrow, my Lord. I apologize, my Lord. I can't hear anything, my Lord. Am I audible, my Lord? If this matter could kindly be taken tomorrow, my Lord, there is some technical issue, my Lord. I cannot hear anything.
This is from Maharashtra Police and serial number 8, Lords, you'll see. David Freeze sees the mentioned account.
Yes.
My lord,
Yes.
I think I'm audible now, my lord.
Yes, yes.
My lord, this matter, the petitioner, my lord, is a businessman, and petitioner, my lord, he's had business dealings for several years with the private respondent. So petitioner used to supply goods to the private respondent, and private respondent would make payment for the goods.
Okay.
Payment, my lord, would be made either directly by the petitioner, by the private respondent, transferring the amounts into the bank account of the petitioner, or private respondent would instruct some other person to transfer the required amounts into the bank account of the petitioner, my lord. Now, the petitioner, my lord, has a current account with the respondent number 3, that is State Bank of India, Badabaza branch. That account, my lord, suddenly in October 2023 was frozen by the bank without any notice or information to the petitioner. Upon inquiry, my lord, we were given this order at page 20. Page 20, my lord, there is an order which appears to have been issued by Maharashtra Police to State Bank, my lord. Page 20. Now, if I can quickly read the first paragraph, my lord. Sir, madam, refer to the offence cited above. An offence has been registered at Cyber Police Station in jurisdiction of Wardha District Police. Brief fact of the offence is a group of accused pretending to be an employer in flight booking and hotel booking industry assured victim that by working from home, she can earn 3,000 to 4,000 rupees by investing small amount in their company. Hence, victim agreed and fraudster had her in Telegram group and she invested total of rupees 5.21 lakhs in part over 7 days and got defrauded. Following are the details of bank account involved in offence. The bank account details are there. This is the petitioner's bank account, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, you are hereby directed to put hold on the complete amount and mark account as debit freeze as this account is indulged in fraud activity. Also provide information on following points related to the above mentioned account. Some information was sought from State Bank of India. What is important, my lord, is the first line of the second paragraph. You are hereby directed to put hold on the complete amount. The complete amount being, my lord, that 5.21 lakhs. So the allegation is, my lord, that someone had defrauded some unnamed victim of 5.21 lakhs. So petitioner, my lord, thereafter directly contacted Maharashtra Police. Maharashtra Police informed, my lord, that apparently there was a suspicious deposit conducted into the account of the petitioner on 25th September 2023, my lord. Now, if Lordship looks at Annexure 3, that is the account statement, and page 30 of this annexure, page 30 of the petition, my lord, page 30, the second last entry, my lord, 25th September 2023, somebody had deposited 2 lakhs into my account.
Yes.
So when petitioner, my lord, checked his records, petitioner found that on that particular day, he was supposed to receive 2 lakhs from the private respondent. So he contacted private respondent. Private respondent confirmed that somebody had deposited 2 lakhs on behalf of the private respondent. But for some reason, the private respondent was reluctant to reveal the identity.
Okay, what stage
of that.
investigation or what is the status of the case now?
Petitioner, my lord, has absolutely no idea, my lord. He has written multiple times to Maharashtra Police.
Okay, heard
He has written
Mr. S. Jindal, heard counsel of petitioner, issue notice, Dr. Mozikas,
Only for 1 minute.
DGS we have with so-and-so on behalf number 1. Notice to issue to the remaining respondents within 3 days. List of the 3 weeks, yes.
Obliged.
Item number 4.
May I please, Your Lordship. My lord, the petitioner is the head constable in BSF, my lord. And his next post of promotion is, my lord, SI, work for the SI, my lord, in BSF, SI in BSF, my lord. But for that, my lord, he need to complete diploma, my lord, in his trade, diploma course in civil engineering, my lord. So he has applied for the NOC, my lord, from the department. But the department has denied, my lord. So I am challenging that, my lord. That is on page 44, my lord.
Okay, yes. Yes, Dr. Mozikas, why you rejected is if you want to study leave? You're entitled to it.
I'm entitled, my lord, as per the law.
I'll have restriction. I'll file it.
SD and the Constitution issued notice. Dr. N. Muzika with so and so, except we have all the respondents, no further is required. List after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks for instructions to affidavit. Yes.
Item number 5.
May it please, my lords. Well, the issue here pertains to, my lords, the completion of some tender works by the petitioner. And if I may just take your lordships very quickly, my lords, to 2 pages, if my lords kindly have annexure 7 at page 27, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, this is the minutes of the board proceedings, my lords. And if I may just read, my lords, the observation finding of the board of officers. The board of officers inspected the work as per the specified BOQ. After inspection of the BOQ, is the opinion, BO, Board of Officers, my lords, is of the opinion the above work has been completed satisfactorily and in good condition at the time of inspection. And in the next page, my lords, if your lordships kindly come to 28A, is the typed copy. Down below, my lords. My lords, it says, Accounts Officer, payment may please be made to ASA Enterprise, East Khasias Meghalaya as per GM invoice number so-and-so amounting to 26,21,000. Now, this was, my lords, way back in 10/5/2023. After that, my lords, for some rhyme or reason, my lords, this payment has not been made. In spite of the clear observations of the Board of Officers, my lords, that the work has been successfully completed, there were, my lords, repeated letters issued to me, which I have, my lords, they said that work is not satisfactory, so I again got it done. But till today, my lords, the payment is not made. As such, my lords, I'm here before your lordships.
Yes.
Then have
Notice
restriction.
issue.
When the K-Pon is also assisted by Mr. Chanda, issue notice. Dr. Mozika is with so-and-so present, except on behalf of all the respondents.
All this.
No further notice required. Stop just after 2 weeks or 3 weeks for instructions.
Highly
for
obliged.
activities.
Item number 6.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I am the present headman of one village, my lord, in Umroi, my lord.
You just keep it down. Just keep it voice down. Yes.
I am the headman, my lord, of a particular village, my lord, in Umroi, my lord. Now, what happened, my lord, there? The previous headman, my lord, he has manipulated a VEC amount which has been sanctioned for the work and for the labours, my lord. And he has not disbursed the amount to the labours and also to the, the job card holders, my lord. And also the project has not been completed, my lord. But he, with the hand in gloves with the officers, my lord, he withdrew the money and he has, my lord, mismanaged the money, my lord. So I have written a complaint, my lord, to the Deputy Commissioner of Deputy Commissioner of Riboy, my lord. That is on page 46, the typed copy, my lord. This is the details of work which has not been completed, my lord, but money was withdrawn, my lord. And I have prayed, my lord, to conduct an inquiry on my complaint, my lord. But no inquiry was conducted by the Deputy Commissioner for the best reason
Your
noted.
implementation which year for? But then you're asking for 2011, 2017.
Yes, my lord, because this money has been recently withdrawn, my lord, during his tenure, my lord. Now, my lord, what happened? I have given a reminder.
Now we say so-and-so done 13 construction approach road, so-and-so.
These are still, my lord, from 2012-13 also, my lord. And these are all public
Now
money.
what is your problem now? What are you
My
facing?
problem is this.
Now, these are before your time.
No, before my time.
Yes.
Project has
When
not been
you-
completed
when
because
you take up office as a new headman.
I have been appointed as a headman, my lord, and then immediately, my lord, I lodge a complaint. When
No,
this
no,
was
you
brought-
mean to say that the new scheme not been given to the VEC which is constituted now, the fresh VEC. The
My-
VEC was subsisting.
Yes, my
Yes.
lord.
So then what's your problem now?
My
These things
pro-
have happened
Prior to me.
Yes.
Prior to me.
Then
But for the same project, my lord, they are not sanctioning us, my lord. Because they say that it's already been sanctioned. Whereas a road, for example, my lord, a road was supposed to be
no, we
constructed.
understand the
But-
road been sanctioned has not been made, but then that
It has
is
not
a-
been made.
that is
Money
a
has been
matter
withdrawn, my
of-
lord. So if money has been withdrawn, my lord, and if the road has not been made, my lord, then the money should be deposited back, my lord. It's a public money, my lord. Only
Always
my,
trying to settle old scores.
my lord, only thing is this: let my complaint be addressed by the Deputy Commissioner, my lord. I've also given a reminder, my lord, on 1st May 2024.
Whatever it is, Mrs. Days before your time, when did the last, have you met the last headman of the party?
No, my lord, because only complaint, my lord. My complaint to be disposed of by the otherwise I'll make a
grievance against the past headman, he says, chairman of VC.
Then I will amend the cost title. I will make him a party, my lord.
We amend it then.
I will amend it, my lord.
Otherwise, how you see?
No, but here, my lord, here, my lord, here, the complaint is not against the headman, my lord, previous headman. My complaint is this, my lord, DC is not disposing my representation. This is the only complaint, my lord. I am not saying, my lord, that this court to give any finding against the previous
You want
headman.
to court act as a postman for you.
No,
I'm direct.
There are serious allegations against the then ex-BEC, your lordship.
My lord.
They are not here. They have a right to be heard, your lordship.
They have every right, my lord, before the DC, not before this, my lord, because I am not asking any order against of him, my lord, by this court.
See, one thing, Mr. D, also, this court not engage in, facilitating witch hunt.
No, my lord, that is not the case.
The thing is that if you were in office that time, now this is dead and gone, 2011, 2017.
My lord.
Right. Now we're sitting in.
Well,
we are 25, your lordship.
That is not correct, my lord. It's not that only of 2011, 12 we are asking, my lord.
No, it's 17.
17 is also there, my lord.
Your complaint also, that's it.
Yes. 17, because, my lord, when I become the headman, my lord, this was brought into my notice by the villagers. Then only I try to find it out, my lord.
Never constructed.
Never constructed, my lord. But the money has been, my lord.
But the roads mid 2012 now, by now there's been no road.
My lord, at least a piece of concrete, a piece of
Anyway, Mr.
Lordship.
Day seeks to amend the course title. Praise allowed. Yes.
I'll apply, your lord.
Item number 7.
I'm not asking you to find an application and just get it amended. Yes. Yes. Who's here? 7?
7. No seat.
None appears for the petitioner. List after 1 week, yes.
Item number 8.
Please, my lords.
Who's for the other side, Mr. Paul?
It will be
Our
the.
petition hasn't come till now, so let my esteemed colleague begin. In the meantime, my petition will come.
Their matters, my lords, seniors matters also connected, my lords. If your lordships, please, my lords, it can be taken up together.
Let it come
At the end of the board,
already
my
filed, so I'm sure.
Let it come at the end of the board.
Item number 9.
Wait, please, your lordship. My lord, this is pertaining to promotion, my lord. Now, here what happened, my lord? The read petitioner, who is the senior most,
From where to where?
from sub-inspector of taxation to inspector of taxations.
In
Now,
which
I am the
department?
senior most.
Mr. Council?
Yes.
I am the senior most. Instead of me, my lord, those who are placed in the bottom, private respondent, 2 private respondents, they were promoted.
What post from where to where, Mr. Sen?
Sub-inspector to inspector.
Of taxes.
Taxation. The promotion is governed by, my lord, I understand, my lord, merit cum seniority. Even if it is merit cum seniority, there has to be some criteria how the assessment has been made. My case was not at all considered.
You mean there was no DPC held?
Nothing. Lordship will come to the impugn order. Impugn order, my lord.
Suitability.
Yes, my lord. Lordship will come to the impugn order at page, Annexure 2, my lord, last page.
Last page.
Last page.
Annexure 2.
Annexure 2.
Okay. Hillary Valentine.
6 January. In the interest of the council service, the executive committee Hasil's autonomous decision is pleased to promote the following sub-inspector of taxation. No DPC, nothing at all, my lord. My case was not even placed, not even considered, though I was the senior most, your lordships. This need to be examined, my lords.
What is this, Mr. Kanta?
Yeah, in this case is a case of merit cum seniority. Just because a person is senior doesn't mean that he's eligible. And this is a job involving finance, money matters. And in this case...
Is the question of his not having the required qualification? Or is it...
No, we are looking at the competency, whether it's competent. And from the pleadings of the writ petitioner, I think there's some defect. Instead of saying with most with most dedication and sincerity, Here the petition says without more sincerity and dedication. I think let there be some correction first before he proceeds.
Well,
Because
my
this
case,
is-
entire case, our case was not even, my lord, considered. Even
So
for my
do you
lord.
maintain a gradation list? Of
When we
the,
look at
There's
of
no
the-
gradation list, your
The
lordship.
gradation is maintained of the in this service, in this whatever is sub-inspectors, yes.
Yes.
from sub-inspector to inspector.
Does it maintain gradation list of sub-inspectors?
Well, they maintained, but they never circulated. But on the basis of the records, your lordship, at page 8, my lord, I have set out what is the seniority position. Lordship will kindly come to page 8, 9, my lord. This starts
You are
from-
one lumlang Soshabang.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
I have joined the post of sub-inspector, my lord, in 14. Whereas the person, my lord, at 8, lordship will see he joined in 19. So, my lord, this is the case, my lord.
Lordship,
Well, at least I should have been assessed.
Before we proceed further, I think there should be some correction because at
Where is
paragraph
that?
5, page 7, that the writ petitioner stated that he initially joined the post of assistant sub-inspector of taxation in the year so and so. Since his joining the service, he has been discharging his duties without.
With my lord, with most duties. My lord, that I can cancel out.
That's a printer's devil. Anyway, heard Mr. SN is issue notice. Mr. VJ Kanta, special counsel KC with MSC non-clause present except on behalf of respondents 1 to 4. Notice issue to respondents on 5 and 3 days. Just after 3 weeks for instructions affidavits.
5 and 6 by register post. Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, can I make a request? Maybe after 4 weeks, because election in between is animate
When are elections scheduled?
up to
With the
27th.
date fixed?
27th of February. Then they'll be counting and new executive committee.
Obliged.
10.
Maybe new EC comes, that list might go. Also.
Oh, my lord. They need to correct, my lord. This is not the way.
Yes.
Item number 10.
Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time to file my rejoinder.
You allowed last year to file the joinder.
Yes, Lordship. This is my second time, Your Lordship.
Yeah, Lordship.
Allow.
Lordship, yes. First day of that.
Lordship, I pray that the interim order may continue.
The interim order should be vacated then. The last date of the 26/11 took 3 weeks. Should have filed the joinder.
Yes, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Regularization, Your Lordship.
Which post?
Sericulture Demonstrator in the Sericulture Department.
Let them give one more chance.
Lordship,
First day of
yes.
the week.
Lordship. Apply, your lord.
2 weeks for the time as it's allowed. What is affidavit? List thereafter. So interim order to continue till the next
Apply,
day.
your lordship.
Right, Your Lordship.
11. Lordship, I pray for another 3 weeks' time to file my rejoinder.
Why?
Because the petitioner, due to the ongoing festival and all in Assam, Bihu, so she could not come.
So don't bother about the case, enjoying festival. So need for rejoinder. I mean, she's very happy. What's the matter about?
It's a pension matter.
For the 2 weeks, as spread allowed for rejoinder. Just thereafter and so on.
12.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time for affidavit.
No, the fresh matter 27/11. So what is the matter about?
Lordship, here, Lordship, I was selected, I had participated in the selection process, Lordship. Thereafter, in the review medical exam, Lordship, I was rejected on one count, Lordship.
How many times you sought?
This is
You
the
didn't
second
file
time.
matter? Filed on?
Last year, Lordship, 27/11, it was 5/11/24, Lordship, it was moved.
For the 3 weeks time. Or for affidavit with respondents.
Obliged, Lordship.
13.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I am entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 4, Lordship. I will. I'm yet to file. I will file.
1 second, Mr. Clark. Where's the order dated 23? 23/2018.
Your Lordship, I have filed my additional affidavit, Your Lordship. Actually, Your Lordship, that
Oh yes.
actually, Your Lordship, that 23rd
March.
23rd March 2018 is the date by the pata was issued, Your Lordship, and the order was passed on 19, Your Lordship, actually, which is in para
Fine,
3.
I see your next order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. The United Remnants Church broke off from Adventists.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes,
Your Lordship, I'm just pray for interim, Your Lordship.
you're praying for interim?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Last time when interim order was passed.
No, Your Lordship, because of this defect, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Because of this.
1 second. That means for number 4.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Day for 123. Yes, Mr. H. Clouds entered appearance today on behalf of number 4. Such notice on all respondents is complete. Next paragraph, Ms. D. Nyota, council petitioners. What are you praying for?
Interim, Your Lordship. For interim, Your Lordship.
For what are the facts? What are the facts about?
Your Lordship, here, Your Lordship, the pata was issued in my name, Your Lordship. Then after they filed an appeal before the deputy CM. Then again dismissed on the ground of limitation. Then again they filed appeal before the respondent number 2, and the respondent number 2 cancelled the order passed by the assistant and the deputy CM without providing me an opportunity of being heard, Your Lordship.
My lord, may kindly come to page 41, para 4. If my lord may kindly see para 4, as per the recorded land patta in the name of the appellant has been cancelled without due notice and in their absence only. Hence, issue of limitation in the instant case does not apply, as there was no trial of case between the parties. Hence, the deputy CEM should have considered the case properly. Accordingly, both the orders of the ASO and deputy CEM are set aside, as they fail to comply with the basic principle of law. The land patta allegedly settled in favor of the respondent is hereby cancelled, and the same is reverted back to its original owner, which is the appellant. Moreover, as submitted by the parties, title suit is pending, which will finally settle the dispute between the parties. Hence, directed the parties to hesitate for their rights accordingly. It was sent back, my lord, only.
What? No, they cancelled the pata. What happened to your title suit? It was filed by you.
No, Your Lordship.
Filed by Mr. Nokra's client.
Yes.
What stage is the title suit? Let me take instruction to dispose of next date.
Your Lordship, if I'm not mistaken, it's a judgment reserve, Your Lordship, title suit.
In a title suit?
Yes.
That's very good then. And we let him take instructions. When can you come back with instructions or affidavit?
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes. After that, first paragraph. Stop. Next paragraph. Ms. D. Hinyota has renewed his prayer for interim orders on the ground that the order dated 16/10/2024 was passed out hearing the writ petitioner. Stop. Stop. Same paragraph. Mr. SD, however, on behalf of respondents 1, 2, and 3, submits that nothing is yet decided, in as much as this is impugn order, correct?
Yes.
But impugn order, the chief executive member had observed that the parties were to agitate for their rights accordingly, as title suit is pending. In this view, the next parameter, H. Cloud, for just appearance, has also prayed that we given 2 weeks time to come back with instructions or affidavit. Next, for interview the matter, no interim orders are called for at this stage. Let the matter be served to 2 weeks for instructions. Stop and endeavor shall be made to dispose of the matter next date. Yes.
All right.
We come back prepared. If the title suit's pending, then
Hearing, item 14.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying if this matter can be taken up after 1 week, Lordship. We need to obtain certain
this one is
instructions.
a dead letter now.
Lordship, we need to obtain instructions, Lordship.
Are your clients still interested?
Interested, Lordship.
How many times have you taken adjournment?
Your Lordship,
How many
numerous
times?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So what do you do,
Lordship,
Mr.
here
Chanda?
we're also saying that this writ petition is barred by res judicata, Your
My
Lordship,
Lord,
because
in
they've
my humble
already
submission, it is not, my Lord, because
You've not, you see, whatever it is, Mr. Chanda, the conduct, even this court, it's been very lackluster.
Lordship.
You've not pursued this matter at all.
Lordship, give us 1 week's time, Lordship. We'll take instructions and we'll take this matter,
there's
Lordship.
no point in keeping it pending.
Lordship.
If they're not interested,
Lordship.
only the councils are keeping it alive.
Lordship. Let it come next week, Lordship. We'll have take instructions. We'll take instructions.
As Chanda, please be allowed 1 week's time to obtain proper instructions as to whether the writ petitioners are still interested in pursuing the incident matter before this court.
Lordship.
Praise allowed. Mr. Conley and so on.
15.
Yes.
My lord, I'm seeking adjournment for this matter, my lord, because both the council, conducting council, they are on sanction leave.
Who's conducting counsel?
From the petitioner side is H. Arnath and from the respondent side is Ma'am Seema, ma'am.
Mr. Abraham is here. Okay, as counsel still in sanction leave, just a matter of 2 weeks, yes.
Second call, item number 8.
Appointment after.
Item number 8.
Where's the respondent? Sir, himself. Where's Mr. Paul? If it's substantially the same, we can hear Mr. Paul, and that order apply to your client also.
For the purpose of interim protection, my lord, it is the area primarily which is our focus.
Arrears.
Herein lies the urgency, primarily because of the area.
You're paying the current bill.
Current we are paying. Current we are paying already.
Where's Mr. Paul?
Mr. Paul, it seems. Where is Mr. Paul? Because our petition hasn't come.
What happened to your petition?
My lord, it was filed. I don't know. All the juniors, everyone, they are all in the registry. It seems.
See what happened when the machines activated after some time.
My lord, we remember our days. But then that is how, with the advancement in technology.
See, Mr. At that time, our days were analog days. They're not digital days. So there's a difference.
That's it. Therein lies the problem. When things were manual, my lord, maybe they were much faster.
Yes.
So current we are paying, my lord, area is the issue primarily. Of course, my lord, lots of other issues are also involved. Mr. Our petition?
Petition is like in the registry.
Mr. Paul, at least, because the lordship has understood the
just
code.
I'll just write, sit again 11:30.
Very well, very well, my lord, very well. By 11:30, it will certainly come.
So 11:30.
The first day after the vacation is turning out to be rather eventful.
Paul. With Mr. Paul. Good then. Yes.
May it please your.
Yes, Mr. Advocate General.
Yes, sorry, I'm not physically there.
We missed you yesterday in the celebrations.
Yeah, it gets me, I'm sorry. Actually, something urgent, the limestone matter is listed. That alias matter that we do listed. That's why I couldn't.
And we were not favored with the presence of any additional Advocate General also.
I requested, in fact, Mr. Khalid also and everybody.
Oh, Khalid was there, yes. I mean, apart from Khalid, no one else was there, yes. Anyway, right. Yes.
Now, my lord, the core of the issue is the tariff, my lord, electricity tariff for the financial year 24-25.
Yes.
Now, my lord, in the financial year 24-25, in fact, there were two different tariff orders. That the first tariff order of the commission was reviewed by the commission itself, and that is how the impugned tariff order came into existence. Now, my lord, before coming to the impugned tariff order, which is the subject matter of challenge in the writ petition, I will just take, my lord, straight away to the tariff order of the financial year 23-24. The first tariff order. This, my lord, will find at page 27. The relevant page is 31. There is no dispute about this, so I'll begin with this. The page 31.
Oh, they give me the wrong page.
Lordship will straight away come to the operating portion.
Yes.
Page 31. This is the tariff order for the financial year 23-24. Now, my lord will find at page 31 the last line. This order shall be effective from 1st April 23 and shall remain in force till 31st March 2024, and thereafter it's very important, my lord, the next sentence, or till the next tariff order of the commission. Meaning is very clear, my lord. It will remain ordinarily in force till 31st March 2024. If by this time the new tariff order comes, that will be operative. If the tariff order doesn't come, then till the next tariff order comes into existence, this order will continue to operate. So, my lord, the order continued to operate even after 31st March 2024. And in terms of this very particular tariff order, we kept on making the payment. Now, my lord, what happened was, before the expiry of this period of 31st March 2024, the exercise was undertaken to make a new tariff order for the next financial year. And my lord knows the principles for the determination of tariff, public hearing, and lots of, my lord, procedural niceties are there. So all those tasks were undertaken, and ultimately, my lord, so far as, my lord, the exercise of determining the tariff is concerned for the financial year 24-25, there were two members of the commission who had done the public hearing. One was the chairperson, and the other member was the member law. He was a judicial member. Both were present. The quorum was absolutely complete. Now, what happened was, my lord, just before, after the hearing and before the delivery of the order, there was code of conduct for the election. The code of conduct for the election was, my lord, came into being on 16th March 24, the code of conduct. Because of the code of conduct, the tariff order could not be issued for the financial year 24-25. After the code of conduct was over, my lord, in the intervening period, the chairman retired on 12th May 2024. So chairman retires, only one member remains, the member judicial. And this member judicial, my lord, individually issued the tariff order. Tariff order is dated 6th of June 24, and the relevant page, my lord, is page 37.
Yes.
Page 37 is, this order shall be effective from 1st June 24 and shall remain, I'm sorry, sir, there is a mistake. Yes. This order shall be effective from 1st June 24 and shall remain in force till 31st March 25 or till the next tariff order of the commission. This tariff order came into being, but this tariff order, my lord, was never implemented, never acted upon, never released. Government never acted on this tariff order, and thereafter, my lord, this tariff order was challenged by Meghalaya Public Distribution, MPDCL, MPGCL, number of, my lord, these bodies. They challenged this very particular tariff order primarily on two grounds. The first ground was the violation of Regulation 10 of MESERC, Conduct of Business Regulation of 2007. The Regulation 10 pertains to, my lord, the quorum. They said the quorum is not there. The quorum was only one gentleman gave this very particular tariff order. And the second, my lord, was violation of Regulation 18 sub Regulation 3 of 2007 regulation, namely the authentication, signature, etc. was not there. Initially, my lord, there was an interim order. This order was stayed. Subsequently, my lord, the writ petition was withdrawn. Everything got vacated. And finally, my lord, what they did, they went to the commission itself, asking for review of this very particular tariff order. Now, my lord, this order was reviewed. This order was reviewed, and after review of the order, another tariff order was issued for financial year 24-25, and this impugn order, my lord, will find at page 105, and the relevant page is page 137. Page 137. This is 23rd of August 2024. This is, my lord, the order. This is the order of recalling the earlier order for the financial year 24-25. The operating portion at page 137, the two reasons have been assigned as to why the order was recalled, why it was reviewed. In the present case, considering that the earlier orders suffered from fundamental procedural error, non-signing by members, which goes to the root of the matter and conclusion of the commission that the order dated 5/6/24 and 6/6/24 were passed in contravention to the regulations as well as the law settled by the Honorable Supreme Court as well as the Honorable such and such. Therefore, the commission holds that the said order can be recalled and reheard by the commission by invoking its inherent powers. Based on the submissions made by the parties, the judgments of Honorable such and such, various other judgments of the High Court and Supreme Court, as quoted above in regard to the question in matter. Now, my lord, pausing here, may I make it very clear. Summarily, my lord, they are saying judgments of the High Court and the Supreme Court. All these 30 pages, all the judgments of the High Court and Supreme Court they have referred to are in connection with, my lord, their power of review. That they have the power to review. My lord, we are not doubting their power of review. The question is, my lord, the manner of exercise of this power and whether the grounds for review were present or not, whether those grounds are germane, and as to whether there is a usurpation of jurisdiction.
What is the present grievance?
I'll now come, my lord, I'll come to this.
Yes, that is R.K. Soni is the same person who signed the earlier order, singly. Yes. Okay.
Yes, my lord, the person...
Will not go there. Yes, what is the grievance right now?
Now, my lord,
yes.
The page 141.
Yes.
Commission considers that in case of any recovery of arrears, the same shall be billed in 9 equal installments starting December 24. So, my lord, not only the current tariff, and my lord, so far as the effective, there is another, page 142, this order shall come into effect from 1st April 24.
Yes.
Now, my lord, the effective date of the order,
dated when?
that is 24/10 is the date
of this order.
Yes, my lord. Page 138.
Why you come now?
My lord, because the bill came much later. Under protest, my lord, we were paying the current tariff.
Then
Under protest,
In fact,
let me complete, my lord.
a copy also, my lord. Only petition I have received, my lord, because they have mentioned in the morning only, my lord. And nothing is, only I have got the bare petition, my lord. So, and this order, as my friend has pointed out, was passed way back on 24th 10, 2024, my lord.
I have got...
challenging now. What I was praying, my lord, that let them serve a entire copy, and I am there physically on 29th, and I'll do, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Paul, you served entire copy?
Yes. My matter, sir. Long back, it was...
My lord, the bill came. Let me complete my sentence, sir. Please, sir. I have not completed my sentence. Please. My lord, why we came right now is the bill The date of the bill, my lord, the bill was generated on 20th of January. Now, bill has created the whole problem because, my lord, they have included the area in the bill. Now, the date of the order is 24th of January 2024, but Lordship would see the language of the tariff order of 23-24. Namely, that this order would continue till the next tariff order comes into existence.
Where's the last bill, Mr. Tiwari?
The last bill, my lord, will find at page 149.
149.
Yes, page
Where
149.
where is it?
The bill generated date 20th of January 2025.
This is this 149. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Last payment. I think your
And previous
where's the
outstanding?
No, Burnie has a division. This is a due date bill generated on 20 January.
20th January, bill generation date.
That's why they didn't pass it. I think this is not very legible.
31 January.
Due date is 31st January.
Where have they factored?
Below, towards the right hand side, my lord, will see.
Outstand, see.
Yes, and below that tariff difference.
Now, where's the current bill amount?
Current bill is 9 lakh 95. It's below.
In your, it's clear in your.
If your lordships kindly have that, Malad.
I think better if yes, it's identical.
It's identical bills.
Let's look at that one. Yes. Let's see the bill, Mr. Paul.
Clear है क्या वहाँ पर?
इतना ऐसा ही है.
Sir, may I?
Well, please.
With your permission.
Arik, come on, please.
Well, if I may.
Page 21.
Just bear with me for a second. Well, it's first I'll take your lordships to Annexure 1, my lords, at page 17. Now, if your lordships have this, my lords, the first column, first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth column, my lords, may kindly have a look. This is bill generated date.
Yes,
5th December 2024.
Yes.
Now, the amount, my lords, which they say is, my lords, it's down below. The calculation your lordships will see is 1 crore 18 lakhs 844.
Yes, 111. Okay. Yes.
118 44 414.73 millets.
Okay.
That's the current bill.
Okay.
That millets we have paid under protest at Annexure 2, page 19. Paid in full millets.
Okay. Yes.
Your lordships kindly see in such circumstances, second paragraph, my lords, in
Yes,
such
under
circumstances,
duress,
under duress and without prejudice to our rights under the litigation before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, we under protest are paying the total amount of 11844,415 for the billing period so and so to so and so. Details of payment are so and so, and it is received, my lords. It is received on 19/12/2024.
Okay. Yes.
My lords, we've annexed the bank statement also at the next page, Annexure 3. Where that amount is deducted. No, that's not under dispute, my lords. The current bill is paid. Now, my lords, the current bill at Annexure 4, page 21, if my lords kindly have a look.
Yes.
Again, my lords, the date of the bill is 9th January 2025.
Okay.
My lords have seen that. Now, my lords, if I may take your lordships to this, the table down below.
So for 1 month, you consume only 1 crore. What?
These are industrial units, my lords.
Okay.
And with the hike in tariff now, my lords, that the power tariff has gone up
Yes. Even
almost.
domestic also. Yes.
Which is, my lords, one of the issues that is being urged before lordships. That, my lords, with a retrospective effect, the tariff across the board, save some blue-eyed people, has been, my lords, increased by the commission for better reasons, my lords, but I'll address that in the other matter. Now, if your lordships, my lords, kindly come to this table here, and the last, my lords, entry, total tariff difference amount, if my lords have a look.
Yes.
So, tariff difference amount is 33,739,355. So, what is this tariff difference, my lords, is the issue. What had happened, my lords?
What is 373 Annexure 4, right?
My lords, 33 lakhs.
No, 37 lakhs.
Oh, my lords, it's
37 lakhs 40,000.
my lords.
Yeah. So your current bill amount is 1 crore 3 or whatever.
1 crore
3 lakhs
3 lakhs 45,000.
And then you added for your earlier.
We are here before your lordships, my lords, only on a limited issue. The main matter, my lords, is coming before your lordships on the 19th of February. That's WPC number 339 of 2024. Where that's the main matter, my lords, where your lordships are hearing all these issues, whether the power is there with the commission to recall its order. My lords, I would take the liberty of just, my lords, adding one sentence to what my learned senior submitted before lordships. The application filed before the commission was one for recall and not for review.
Okay.
There's a fundamental error, difference, my lords, I would humbly submit before the exercise of power of recall and the power of review. Which is what, my lords, as your lordships have, my lords, heard us at some length, and then your lordships felt, my lords, that this would require a thorough hearing and the matters fixed on 19th. Insofar as the current bills are concerned, my lords, we under protest are obligated to pay it, we have paid it. Now this tariff difference amount, my lords, your lordships will kindly appreciate there is a tariff operating. I pay, you generate bills under the tariff, I pay that amount. No dispute there. Subsequently, my lords, another tariff is passed. That is given effect to retrospectively from April 2024. And now, my lords, I am asked to pay 33 lakhs and 37 lakhs in respect of the tariff difference for a period which I've already paid. So the issue here is, my lords, my humble prayer before your lordships is at this stage is limited to only one issue. The main matter, my lords, are hearing on 19th. Insofar as the current bill under this tariff, my lords, is 1 crore, 3 lakhs, whatever, my lords, that I will pay, I am required to pay, I will pay it. Insofar as the, my lords, the tariff difference amount is concerned, till your lordships are hearing the main matter, let that be kept in abeyance. And whichever way your lordships will decide the matter,
Yes,
we'll pay.
Mr. Advocate General.
I think that would balance equities.
Yes, my lord, lordship. May I submit, my lord?
Yes,
There are
please.
two things your lordship would recall.
Yes.
That one, my lord, the tariff order passed by the commission, my lord, it was not under challenge in the pending writ petition. Has not been challenged.
In the
That
present
tariff order
petition.
is not under challenge. Yes, my lord, that what my friend
My
said,
matter
my
is
lord,
also, lordships, the main matter is, what did he say? Tariff, no. Well,
Yes.
before my learned Advocate General, I'll just clarify. The main matter concerning
Yes,
the
my lord, there is no
jurisdiction of the
challenge.
commission to pass a tariff
It's under challenge 339.
is under. So it's not a question of challenging the tariff order, because if I challenge the tariff order, they are saying, Malas, there is a provision for appeal. I'm not saying that. I am saying.
I understand that is the niche that you're looking at.
That
Because
is where my lords had-
last time when we heard the matter saying that it's an appealable, order, but then he said that it's not a question of,
It's not a
challenging
question of
tariff, it's a question
tariff
of,
order.
it's a question of
We are saying that whether the commission has the power to do it. or not.
to pass that.
That is under examination by your lords.
My lord, so far as our petition is concerned, what we are assailing is the very jurisdiction of the commission to recall stroke review. Now, my lord,
Okay, that is in line with 399. That means
yes,
it's
the only I'll just settle. There is a subtle difference, my lord. What I have said is I concede that the commission has a power of review. That's okay. Number two, the issue as my esteemed colleague Mr. Paul has raised, whether it has the power to recall. But the third aspect is also involved over here, my lord. My further submission would be, in addition to whether or not it has a power to recall, over here the commission has exercised, number one, an appellate power, and number two, the power which is not vested in the commission at all. It usurped the jurisdiction and acted far beyond its jurisdiction. So herein lies an issue of jurisdictional error. So both. So this is an issue, my lord, as a whole. Right now, my lord, I am only on the area.
Mr. Advocate General. Yes, you are saying?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Now, I was submitting two things, my lord. First, your lords recall that the first writ petition which is pending before your lordship is that there is a challenge whether the order passed by the tribunal in passing the fresh tariff order on is correct or not, because their challenge is limited. What they are saying is that the earlier tariff order passed by the one member is no tariff order in the eyes of law. Your lordships have passed the order. I can show that he was not competent to pass the order. The matter was heard, and on that matter, my lord, we came before your lordship. Your lordship granted me liberty to go back, and I went back, and then the order was passed by the commission that the fresh tariff order is to be passed, my lord. Now, two things your lordship will kindly notice. One in my second petition, my lord, the order of the commission has been passed on 23rd August to 2024, my lord. That is recalling that 23rd August 2024. And second order, my lord, has been passed whereby the all parties have been directed to pay the arrears in 9 installment was passed on 24th October 2024, 24/10/2024. They what they are saying is that they were waiting for the bill to be generated, then only they will come before your lordship and mention in the matter in the morning, my lord. The order was very clear of 24th October 2024, my lord, and that order was very clear that they have to pay the arrears in 9 installment. Your lordship, kindly see the installment data which is there at Mr. Paul's petition that your lordship will find at page 24. At page, page 21, my lord, 21, my lord.
Yes.
And your lordship will see the tariff due amount that is in first, second, third column, third table, my lord, third table, and from bottom, my lord, of the third table, my lord, tariff due amount, first of 9 installment. First of 9 installment is 37,48,800.
Difference amount, yes.
It's difference amount.
37,48,800. So, in terms of the order of the commission dated 24/10/2024, my lord, this amount is being recovered, my lord. Your lordship would recall that there is no challenge to the tariff order. There is no challenge to the tariff order in the previous petition. The tariff order is an order passed under the Electricity Act by quasi-judicial authority, is an order which is not under challenge. Assuming for the sake of argument, my lord, that the recall order is under challenge before your lord, recall order, recalling and not a recall order. There are cogent and germane reasons for recalling the order, because the previous order was passed by a person who was not holding the post of commission. He was merely a law member. He was not commissioned, my lord. We have argued and several times in this matter. And every time petitioner has sought adjournment in the matter. If your lordship will see the proceedings of the previous matter. Now the situation
That's
before
very unfair. That's very unfair. My
No,
learned
I-
friend was the
I-
person who asked for time. That's very unfair.
Okay,
I have
doesn't
not
matter.
interjected my friend, my lord. I have
Yes.
not interjected my friend.
Yes.
What I'm saying, my lord, is that the
The record not before this court right now, so we can't, give any
Yes,
Now we
opinion.
also have the
Any-
benefit of video recording as well.
Yes.
It's a legal and judicial order passed by the authority, my lord. Now, because they are what they are trying
See,
to do.
Mr. Advocate
my
General,
lord,
that we're
if-
going to examine, because on that limited issue, correct, whether, the jurisdictional point. Because if they have jurisdiction, then they have recourse to appeal. But if it doesn't have jurisdiction, then maybe it might call for interference. Now, what they want now, right, what I understand, if it's correct, is that they say that, look, since that matter is still seized by the court, with regard to the tariff order, they'll pay the current bills, and just for a time being, you let them pay the current bills without paying the arrears, that 1 stroke by 9. But your argument is that order date 24/10/24 is not a challenge mandating that. So that's the only hurdle that they have.
In our petition, we are challenging that order also. We are challenging both. It is, my lord, it's a classic case. It's classic case of mother having a.
Let's hear him first.
And they challenge and they want interim order, my lord. That is one. And by not even serving the entire form.
Without
Now
challenging,
that's
we
the
cannot
second
seek for
part, my
interim
lord.
order.
What my lord is that
Unless we
these
challenge
are
it,
the
how can we get
electricity
interim order?
used. The electricity used with the generating company, I have to pay to the generating companies.
My lord,
Now,
if I may.
they are the industries, my lord. They are industries, they are running, my lord. And your lordship is aware of in taxation and electricity matters. If they succeed, because if the stay is granted, my lord, ultimately the company, the generating company has to be paid the amount, my lord, as per tariff order.
Generating company is
We
their
are
own
distribution
company. It's not something from outside.
And therefore they have to first establish prima facie case, my lord. What is their prima facie case? Because
Prima
what they
facie,
say
my lord,
that
is 1
the
page.
order of-
Please.
order
Prima
of-
facie is 1 page, page 31.
Please, don't get so excited.
My friend is jumping every time.
He's always like that. He's always like that. He's got a lot of passion. He's got a lot of passion. That's what we like about him. Yes. That over years, long as the practice has not diminished that favor. That's the thing. Yes.
Yes, my lord. What I was saying is that, my lord, kindly appreciate this fact that these are the revenue matters where we have to get the revenue to survive and sustain. They have, and we are recovering in 9 installments. They have the ample time to challenge those orders before appeal. My lord, these are the
Okay, we'll do
orders
one
which we
thing,
are
Mr. Advocate
challenging
General, sir, we'll
the
examine
tariff
it,
order.
and since you don't have a copy, so
Yes,
we'll
please.
give a limited, a limited order, like with regard to the arrears. Let them pay the current bill
Your
by the
lordship,
due
what
date.
I was praying, my lord, what I
Yes.
was praying, my lord,
Heaven
let
will
them
not
pay
fall in
and
15
let
days,
them
my
pay. And because if there will be stay, my lord, the state will be, or the electricity company will be losing revenue which they are entitled to. They will not pay interest also on
lords,
that
15
amount, my lord.
days.
They are not
Heaven
recovering
will not
more.
fall.
They will take the advantage. They will take advantage of the stay, my lord. They will take advantage of the stay because first they have to show 3 things, my lord. Because they are liable to pay the tariff in terms of tariff order or not, my lord. They are liable to pay the tariff in terms of the tariff order. That is their, my lord, tariff by merely challenging the tariff order, and that tariff order they can challenge it before appeal also, my lord, because that is the jurisdiction. They are not, because if they are, and your lordship is aware that when the tariff fixed, either in tax, it's like tax, my lord. In tax there can be no stay, my lord. They have to pay the in installment. They have paid the
No,
they
one
will
thing
pay the
here,
first
Mr. Advocate,
installment.
the difference is that, you see, this is the continuation of a bigger, a larger dispute,
Yes,
a
my
larger
lord.
issue,
But,
which,
but the only
I don't
issue is
think,
my
yes,
yeah,
yes, you
only
were saying?
submission, my lord, I have is that
Yes,
I'm sorry, my lord.
yes, continue.
Only submission which I was having, only submission I am having, my lord, is that the mere fact that they have challenged some orders of the commission, my lord, will not entitle them to get the discretionary relief of this honorable court. Your lordship will weigh the public interest vis-a-vis private interest, my lord.
There's no
Public
element
interest
of
is
public
that
interest
they
involved
are.
here, my lords.
Let me up. Why my friend is jumping again?
He's jumping because, my lords, I
What
don't
has
understand
public,
where does public
why
interest come
public
in.
interest is, you know, public interest is that they should pay the
Well,
dues
it's
in
no
accordance
longer
with the
a
tariff.
board. Now
Yes,
it is
they
a,
should
well,
pay
it's a
the,
company.
and the private interest is that they want to defer this payment as much as possible at the cost of public interest, because we want because these are the not only 2 cases, my lord. There will be floodgate open to all companies because Burning Heart Association, my lord, your lordship is aware. So ultimately, if we are not going to get the tariff as per the tariff order, which is legal and valid as on today, if there is any question in tariff order that this tariff order should be set aside, this tariff order is without any merit, there is no challenge of the tariff order on merit. That means I am entitled to tariff, my lord, in accordance with the tariff order, which is fixing the tariff from
Okay,
appeal,
you do
because
one thing
the
then,
previous
Mr. Advocate
tariff
General.
order.
With regard to interim prayer, we take it up behalf of tomorrow. You put it on record, you file, you serve proper copies to.
Yes, my lord, I will.
I have
Milord,
some
prima facie, Milord, only one thing.
I
Again,
have some difficulty.
Milord, he has not answered.
Sir,
What
just
about page 31?
One second. Sir, I have one
I
difficulty.
will answer
It doesn't
everything.
have the
Let
annexure.
you please
No,
serve
Malaj,
everything.
I have some
have your
difficulty
annexures.
with
I will answer
20.
it 29.
For me, the last date is today.
29th, your lord.
What I'm only
It's
saying,
today, 31st.
27.
29th, your lord.
Malaj, what I'm submitting to your lordships is only limited to one issue.
And nothing, your lordship.
My lords are hearing the main matter on 19th. Your lordships
Nothing
may
is
make it clear, my lords, that this matter also be tagged along with the 19th. Your lordships
No,
will hear the entire
that
matter
is
on
a foregone
19th.
conclusion. It has been
I am
tagged
saying,
along.
my lords, I am
That
paying the
29th,
current
your
bill
lordship,
today.
take a call on that thing.
If my friend just permits me, I have to pay, my lords, he's talking about public interest, private interest, irrespective. I have to pay 1 crore plus change today. What I'm only saying is, my lords, even under the tariff order, it says 9 installments. If your lordships hear us on 19th, deliver a judgment, my lords, by the end of the month, assuming, my lords, still the barrier of 9 installments is not covered. So either way, my lords, MECL does not stand to lose anything.
The
I'm
due
only
date
saying,
today.
your lordships, to that limited extent, give me some protection.
Due date is 17th.
27th, my lords.
And all these aspects.
Yes.
Otherwise, I would not have pressed.
And Milord, in my case,
Only to that limited extent. Because I have to pay.
You may hear me on 29. I will put my reply by tomorrow, my lord. I will put my reply by tomorrow.
But the due date is today.
Only
Anyway,
thing I request my friend.
but see, Mr.
It is with him.
Advocate General, in all fairness also, the only thing is that, see, the time is short, see. And so it's come,
But
this
because
bill was
they have
generated only in.
kindly see the modus operandi, my lord. With respect, my lord, they had the order of the commission in October of 2024.
Well, I don't
but
understand
that
what
isn't
is the objection.
There was no bill.
My lords are hearing the matter on 19th. There's no bench. It's not like your matter lordships are deferring the matter by 6 months.
Heard, heard Mr. P.K. Tiwari in WBC number 9/2025 and Mr. K. Paul in WBC number in
And this
WBC
tariff
number so
order
and
is
so.
based on material to December 24. These are two cases, my lord.
In WBC number 4 for
Right.
2025, both senior counsels appearing for the petitioners. As these matters are similar in nature, involving the same dispute, this common order is being passed. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. A. Kumar is present with MSR Kulni on behalf of
All the respondents.
all the respondents.
We have a copy of the petition of only one case.
Yeah, all respondents. Stop. Mr. A. Kumar, whoever has apprised the court that a complete set of the petition in WPC number 9/2025
Yes,
is yet
sir.
to be received.
We have received,
Yes,
sir.
yet to be received. We're not going to go into that. That's up to your counsels. It's yet to be received. So,
Yes, ma'am.
next paragraph. The grievance of the petitioners and disputed petitions is with the
Tariff difference amount.
Which is being sought to be realized by the respondents together with the bills that have been generated for the relevant periods. In the case of WPC number 4, for the period,
It does not say period, no, it just says tariff difference amount.
No, for a period 5 December 2024 to 3 Jan 2025, wherein the tariff difference amount, that is 1/9th installment, has also been factored in. Similarly is the case in WPC number 9/2025. Stop. Next paragraph. We submitted that the subject matter in question is intrinsically connected to WPC number 339 of 2024, wherein the issue of the fresh tariff order is under challenge on the question of jurisdiction. Stop. As we further submitted that as the said WPC number 339 is still pending consideration, the demand for payment or tariff difference amount at this stage is unjustified and deserves to be interfered with by this court. It is also added by the learned counsels that the writ petitioners have no issue with regard to servicing the current bill amounts.
Under protest, my lord.
Under protest.
Under protest. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. A. Kumar, learned counsel, senior counsel, appearing for the response, submitted that the main order, that which is that 2024, where it has been mandated by the commission that the petitioners pay the tariff difference amount in 9 installments is not under challenge, and submits that the same the
That's the only tariff order, my lord. It's the only tariff order as on today.
and
It's
that
the
only
only
the tariff
tariff
order
order. There is no other tariff.
has been challenged. He further submits that the matter involving question of public revenue and public interest, no interference is called for at this stage in such matters, inasmuch as any interim orders might cause substantial loss to the public exchequer. Stop. Next paragraph. This court has considered as heard the submissions of the learned counsel for the parties, also examined the materials on record. Stop. As submitted, it is correct that the tariff order under which the current bills are being raised is under challenge in WPC number 339 of 2024, which is pending
tariff order is
consideration.
not under challenge, my
Which is
lord.
pending
That
consideration
tariff
and
order
is
is not under challenge.
My lord, in our writ petition, both the orders are under challenge. Both 23/8/24 as well as 24/10/24. Both are under challenge.
Challenge is today, my lord.
Today.
Doesn't matter.
Today or yesterday.
There is no challenge to the carry forward.
Just relax. Yes. The substantial matter issue, just right, is under consideration by this court in WC number 339/2024. Sorry, you derailed me. As submitted, it is correct that substantial matter and issue is pending consideration in WPC number 339 of 2024, which is fixed for hearing on
12th of February.
On 12th of February.
Oh, 19th, sorry.
On 19th of February 2025. Stop. This court has also further considered the prayers made as a stage for stay on the implementation of the installment implementation of the tariff difference till the said issue is the difference in the tariff difference during pendency of these applications. Stop. Taking into consideration the nature of the case and the fact that the main matter is still pending, this court considers fit, or consider the case pending, and that the bills are due on
today, my lords, 27th
that the bill is due for payment on today, that is 27
January 2025.
January 25 in WPC number 4, and yours is on.
One is on 31st January. There are two bills.
And the other is on 31/1/2025 and
Other is 24th of January, already expired.
Disconnection 24th of January.
Disconnection is on 31st.
Disconnection is on 31st.
So disconnection is going to take place.
31st.
Last date would be 31st then, my lord. Effectively.
Effectively 31st.
January 25 in WPC number 9 of 2025. It is directed that in the interim, the tariff difference amount (1/9) installment shall be put on hold till the next date. But however, the petitioner is directed to deposit the amounts for the current bills.
Under protest, my lords.
The current bills, failing which the interim order will not be made applicable, yes,
My lord,
in the due date.
my lord, one more submission, my lord. In case your lordship vacates, then they will have to pay the interest on the due
That will come.
That will come at that stage when it is vacated. My learned friend is very confident.
Next year, list this matter on.
Let it be listed together, my lords, on 19th.
This is matter to get 19th. The response are permitted to file an affidavit before the next date. Yes. Sorry. You file it. The respondent to file an affidavit by, so they can file a rejoinder by. You file it by 7th.
Yes, my lord.
By 7th February, and thereafter the petitioner to file rejoinders by 14th. Yes, list the matter on 19th.
Now that the matter is over, with your lordship's indulgence, very interesting fact in this matter is, my lords, one gentleman passes an order, and my lords, after 20 days, he suddenly realizes, my lords, that I don't have the power to pass an order.
And he
very interesting set of developments.
See, a very interesting development here is this: that he's the same person who signed as a single member, and his
capacity as a law member, my lords, he said I was wrong, and he says that I'm going to pass a fresh order. Something somewhere is amiss, your lordship.
See, Mr. Paul, a lot of things are amiss with this tribunal, with this commission, even before.
Well,
Like,
it
you know,
has- it-
strange. Even when we had asked for the recordings, seeing a member, no longer a member,
Well,
conducted the
interjecting-
proceedings.
interjecting. Lordship.
That is, you see, that is the way. That's
That's
not the way
why
the commission is done.
at that stage also my lords had interfered.
Yeah, that's only for, that's why the court
Well,
has called for.
I'm not on
you know,
that.
Mr. Tiwari, we had called for the video recording of the
At that
hearing.
point of time, my
because you see,
senior was
the
not there.
person who was not a member of the commission
Was
the
interjecting.
person
My goodness,
conducting the proceedings.
That's amazing.
So that's amazing.
The difficulty is, my lords, that
Lord,
I must concede, my
last
lords,
order,
today the scales have
Lord,
tilted balance that
last
side.
order,
But the fact of the
Lord,
matter
I
remains,
have
some
this fully
semblance of, my lords,
objective
propriety has to be maintained.
And on top of it, come to think of it, my lord, this commission, as per the statute, it is a judicial authority, not a quasi-judicial.
Yes.
Judicial.
Thank you.
May it please your lordship. May it please your lordship. May it please your lordship. That's my humble submission, your lordship. Oh,
I will ensure you have a constitution.